Hello everyone, this is Professor Akshay Dekne from SSM Arsul Polytechnic, SAS Ahmednagar. Today we are going to discuss about abrasive jet machining, which is the topic under the subject Advanced Manufacturing Processes of third year Mechanical Polytechnic students under Maharashtra State Board of Technical Education, and the program code is ME5I, that is Mechanical Engineering 5th semester I skill. The topic name is abrasive jet machining. It is one of the metal removal process. In this process, the material removed from the workpiece with the help of abrasive particles. It is the process that removes the material from workpiece with the help of abrasive particles. This process consists of mixture of fine abrasive particles and gas at high pressure. An abrasive material used is aluminum oxide or silicon carbide or sodium bicarbonate. We know that there are grains of abrasive particles and the grain size should be of 10 to 50 micron meter. These grains should have sharp edges which can be used for cutting purpose, and the gases which used can be air or nitrogen or carbon dioxide. So overall, the AJM, that is abrasive jet machining, is the metal removal process in which material is removed from the workpiece with the help of abrasive particle and gas. Let us see setup of abrasive jet machining. This setup consists of gas supply, or we can say air supply from this side. Then one filter is placed. Pressure gauge is to indicate the pressure level. A regulator. One mixing chamber is there in which abrasive particles and air or gas will get mixed, and one vibrating source is provided to vibrate that mixture. This is the nozzle. From this nozzle, abrasive slurry will be bombarded on the workpiece for cutting action, or we can say for abrasive action. Here gap is given, that is 0.8 mm approximately. So this whole setup is of abrasive jet machining. Let us see how this setup or how this machining will work. Working of abrasive jet machining. First of all, we have to mention that what are the different components of the setup. A typical setup of AJM consists of gas supply unit, filter, pressure gauge, regulator, mixing chamber, vibrator, nozzle, and workpiece. Just we have seen all these components in the diagram. Abrasive particles are fed into the mixing chamber and the regulator controls the flow of abrasive particles. Gas at high pressure is supplied to the mixing chamber through the pipeline. Here, the abrasive particles and gas at high pressure is supplied to the mixing chamber. The pressure is used to control the pressure of gas flow. Pressure gauge is given which indicates the gas pressure. Then abrasive particles in the mixing chamber are vibrated by using the vibrating device. Generally what happened in the chamber, a high pressure gas and abrasive particles, it mixes properly if and only if these things are mixed properly, then and only then it will go to the nozzle, and then and only then it will bombard particularly on the workpiece surface, so that we'll get the exact shape whatever we want from the workpiece. Now see, the mixing of all these particles travels through the hose and enter into the nozzle. The outgoing high-speed stream that comes out of the nozzle is known as abrasive jet, and we have to bombard this abrasive jet onto the workpiece, or we can say onto the workpiece surface. When the jet impinges on the workpiece, the erosion caused by their impact enables the removal of metal. So this is the procedure of abrasive jet machining, which is used to remove the metal from the workpiece. So this is the one of the best machining process in which metal will get removed from the workpiece. So in this lecture, what we have studied is what is meant by AJM, that is abrasive jet machining, the setup of AJM, which contains the different components, and the working of abrasive jet machining. Thank you very much.